Nurse Henry, I'm concerned about Mr. Chappell's condition. His blood pressure is elevated, and he's complaining of chest pain.
Yes, Dr. Mihira, I've noticed those changes as well. He seems to be in discomfort.
We need to act quickly to prevent any complications. Let's administer oxygen and monitor his vital signs closely. We should also consider administering nitroglycerin to relieve the chest pain.
Should we prepare for a possible cardiac event?
It's always wise to be prepared for any eventuality. We should have the emergency response team on standby and ensure that all necessary equipment is readily available.
What about pain management? Should we administer any additional pain medication, Dr. Mihira?
We can administer additional pain medication, but we should be cautious about potential side effects, especially in older patients. We may need to consult with a pain management specialist for further guidance.
I understand why you're curious about weight loss medications or supplements. While some of these might seem like a quick solution, MIHIRA, I would advise being very cautious. Many weight loss pills or supplements can have side effects, and without the proper guidance from a doctor, they can be unsafe. They can affect your heart, blood pressure, or even your digestive system, and we definitely don't want to cause harm in the process of trying to get healthier. Similarly, strict diets that focus on extreme calorie restrictions or cutting out entire food groups, like some of those fad diets you might hear about, can do more harm than good. They can lead to nutrient deficiencies, fatigue, and even make it harder to maintain your weight long-term. Our bodies need a balanced diet with enough nutrients to stay healthy, so drastic measures like these aren't the best approach. What I would recommend instead is working with a dietitian who can create a personalized plan just for you. That way, you can be sure you're getting the right nutrition and still making steady progress toward your weight loss goals in a safe and sustainable way. How does that sound to you? Do you have any thoughts or concerns about this approach?